Today we're going to be testing the NCP1070 high voltage switching regulator for low power offline SMPS applications. This part is available in both a PDIP-7 or an SOT223 package. The equipment we'll be using today is our AC power source, along with our digital power meter, and of course those will be connected to our inputs, both our live and neutral. And on our output we'll have our voltmeter measuring our output volts, and we'll also have our DC electronic load, and to begin it will be switched on in constant current mode and it will be switched to 0 amps. Alright, to begin our test we're going to go ahead and make sure our AC source is set at approximately 120 volts AC output and turn on our output. And here we can see that we have approximately 5 volts on our output. Next, we're going to slowly turn up our output current to 1 amp. And again, we can see we have our 5 volts on the output and our 1 amp on our output. Next, we're going to lower our AC output voltage on our source to approximately 90 volts AC. And we can see that our output remains approximately unchanged. And then we'll go ahead and set our AC voltage back up to our original 120 volts. And next, we'll measure our efficiency using our output power over input power, which in this case comes out to approximately 77%, which is good. Next, we'll go ahead and do our overcurrent test. We will slowly raise our output current on our electronic load until we enter overcurrent skip mode, which you can see is here. And also, this should happen before our electronic load reaches 2.5 amp. And now we will reset back to approximately 1 amp. And here you can see that we have come out of overcurrent skip mode and our output load has been restored. Next, we're going to adjust our electronic load all the way back down to 0 amps. And we're going to check our quiescent current on our input power. And here we can see that our input power is below 100 milliwatts on our quiescent current. This concludes the test of the NCP1070 high voltage switching regulator for low power offline SMPS. All of these tests can be repeated again at 230 volts AC input as well. For more information, please visit www.onsemi.com or contact an authorized distributor.